Is your thumb more brown than green? No worries. If gardening isn't your forte, we have a list of 12 foolproof perennials that anyone can grow. These hardy, easy-to-grow plants are perfect for those who want a beautiful garden with minimal effort. Hi, this is Amy from Gardening Know-How. My list has been carefully selected based on 25 years of personal gardening experience, as well as insights from fellow gardeners. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are perfect for anyone. No green thumb needed. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video because you won't want to miss my honorable mention. This easy-to-grow perennial might not be on everyone's radar, but will surely knock your socks off. First on my list is the coneflower. These hardy, low-maintenance plants adapt to various soil types and thrive in full sun to partial shade, even in dry or poor soils. This versatility makes them an excellent choice for tough garden conditions. If you're searching for a specific flower hue for your beds, coneflowers are the plant to consider. Their daisy-like flowers with distinctive cone-shaped centers come in a wide variety of colors, including red, pink, purple, yellow, white, and even bicolors. Plus, these clump-forming perennials are a favorite of birds, and once the petals have fallen, their cones add great texture to the landscape. One of my favorite perennial plants of all time is the ornamental allium. This perennial provides great presence through the hottest part of the summer, with its clean green foliage and abundance of globe-shaped blooms that are absolutely adored by honeybees and other pollinators. Plus, its oniony scent usually steers away pests and grazing by rabbits and deer. These hardy plants are not only resistant to pests and diseases, but thrive in well-drained soil and full sun, making them adaptable and low maintenance. If attracting hummingbirds and butterflies is on your radar, then bee balm is a must. Bee balm, also known as monarda, are easy-to-grow native perennials that thrive in a variety of soil types and prefer full sun to partial shade, making them adaptable to different garden conditions. Bee balm's striking tubular flowers come in hundreds of varieties, mainly in shades of red, pink, purple, and white. Their aromatic foliage and resilience to both drought and pests adds to their appeal, making bee balm an easy choice for any low-maintenance garden. Aromatic foliage, easy nature, and a long bloom time, what's not to love about catmint? These hardy plants are celebrated for their resilience, thriving in a variety of soil types and light conditions, from full sun to partial shade. Their drought tolerance and low-maintenance nature make them ideal for gardeners seeking a hassle-free plant. Plus, spikes of small, lavender blue flowers add a charming touch to garden beds and borders. Catmint's ability to repel certain pests and disease and attract beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies also enhances its value in the garden. Next up is the black-eyed Susan. This versatile heat and drought-tolerant perennial should be included in all landscapes. These hardy plants thrive in a variety of soil types and adapt well to both full sun and partial shade. Known for their cheerful yellow petals and dark centers, black-eyed Susans provide a burst of color that brightens garden beds from midsummer to fall. This dependable choice will add long-lasting color and ease to any garden. Anise Hyssop is native to the southwest United States and Mexico, and is one of the most rewarding and easiest to grow perennials available. This sun lover is resilient against drought, actually performing best in poor, dry soils. Agastache produces tall, spiky clusters of colorful, long-lasting flowers in shades of purple, pink, orange, or white, which add both vertical interest and a splash of color to garden beds. Their fragrant leaves and flowers not only enhance the sensory appeal of your garden, but also attract a diverse array of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. False indigo, also known by its botanical name Baptisia, is an easy-to-grow native prairie plant that requires little to no maintenance. It works beautifully as a backdrop in borders or as a specimen plant. This distinctive perennial is known for its striking pea-like flowers in shades of blue, yellow, purple, pink, or white, which sit atop tapering spikes that can reach a foot or more in length. Even after bloom, the 3-inch black seed pods will remain attractive well into winter. Their robust nature allows them to withstand drought and harsh conditions, making them a low-maintenance choice for gardeners seeking resilience. Liatris, also known as blazing star, is another great choice. Native to North America, it's a favorite among pollinators like bees and butterflies and hummingbirds who are drawn to the vibrant flowers and nectar-rich blooms. These hardy plants thrive in a range of soil types and are well suited for full sun, making them adaptable to various garden conditions. Liatris features tall, feathery spikes of purple, pink, or white flowers that stand out beautifully against the grassy foliage. Their long-lasting blooms and upright structure adds vertical interest to garden beds and borders. Sedum, commonly known as stonecrop, are adaptable and hardy. From tall border plants to dwarf ground covers, sedums can tolerate drought, poor soil, and varying light conditions, making them ideal for both sunny and partially shaded spots. Their fleshy, succulent leaves and clusters of star-shaped flowers provide summer-long interest, with their vibrant blooms often attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. With minimal watering and care, they make excellent choices for rock gardens, container plantings, and for use as a ground cover. Astilbes are easy-to-grow perennials that bring vibrant color and texture to any garden with minimal effort. These hardy plants even thrive in shady areas, making them perfect for spots where other flowers might struggle. I grow astilbes in both sun and shade, in both average to wet soils, and they seem to flourish no matter where they are planted. With their feathery plumes of pink, white, and red flowers, astilbes add a touch of elegance and attract pollinators. Not only do they require little to no maintenance, but they also offer the added benefit of pest and disease resistance. Asters are easy-to-grow perennials that are essential for adding vibrant color to your garden in late summer and fall. These hardy plants thrive in a variety of soil conditions and are adaptable to both full sun and partial shade. They are known for their stunning daisy-like blooms that come in a wide range of colors, including purple, pink, blue, and white, creating a striking contrast as many other plants begin to fade. Their resilience and low-maintenance nature make them an excellent choice for gardeners looking for reliable late-season bloom. Additionally, asters attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. Last on my list are coral bells. They are exceptionally easy to grow perennials that provide a continuous display of color and interest. Their vibrant foliage comes in a variety of hues, including deep burgundy, purple, yellow, peach, bright lime green, and even silver. You can grow these hardy plants in both sunny and shaded areas, making them versatile in many different garden settings. Plus, these low-maintenance, low growers require minimal watering once established, and are resistant to pests and diseases. Whether used as a border plant, ground cover, or in containers, coral bells enhance your garden's appeal effortlessly. And now for my honorable mention. It's not only easy to grow, but also native and often underutilized in landscapes. Spigelia thrives in a range of soil types and light conditions, from full sun to partial shade. Plus, the unique tubular flowers add a splash of red to your garden and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Not only is Spigelia visually appealing, but it's also incredibly low maintenance. It's resistant to pests and diseases, and it requires minimal watering once established. By incorporating this not-so-well-known gem into your landscape, you can enjoy its beauty and ease of care while supporting native plants. Thank you for joining us as we explored the top 12, well now 13, easy-to-grow perennial plants for a low-maintenance garden. Not only will these colorful plants bring a fresh touch to your garden, but they'll make your life a little easier. Which of these perennials are you excited to try in your garden? Or do you have any low-maintenance plant recommendations of your own? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy gardening.